to markets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's start the alphabet again. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. The alphabet's so fun to do. R, S, T, U, V, W. X, Y, Z, now try it too. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. Now you know your ABCs. Sing with friends and family. Learning letters is so neat. Dancing to this happy beat. A, B, C, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D, E, F, and G, H, I, J. We'll sing and laugh and play all day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thanks for singing along with me. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for orange, orange. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Let's count together, my friends. Numbers are fun. Let's start to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, alive. We count together. Numbers are a game that's super clever. 1, a shiny red apple. 2, balls up in the sky. 3, bright stars that sparkle. 4, small birds flying high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, alive. We count together. Numbers are a game that's super clever. 5 fingers on my hand. 6 balls rolling on the land. 7 rainbows in the sky. 8 flowers waving high. 9, 10, oh what a delight. Numbers make us smart and bright.
Let's learn colors together. This is the color red. Look at this apple, it's red. Red apple. This is the color yellow. a yellow bird, it's so nice. And now, it's time for the color pink. Yes, it's pink. Wow, a pink jellyfish, so cool. This is the color purple. Look at the flowers, they are purple. This is the color orange. Orange fish, it's so beautiful. This is the color blue. Look at the sky, it's blue. This is the color green. Wow, a green bird. This is the color black. A black cat, so calm and cute. This is the color white. Look, a duck is swimming, it's white, white duck. This is the color brown. This bunny is brown, so soft and fluffy. This is the color gray. Gray dolphin. Now it's time to review. Let's spell the colors together. Red, R-E-D, red. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Gray, G-R-A-Y, gray. Now it's your turn. Can you say red? Can you say yellow? Can you say pink? Can you say purple? Can you say orange? Can you say blue? Can you say green? Can you say black? Can you say white? Can you say brown? Can you say gray? All done. You're amazing. Great job.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.